Hi, this is Nandish Desai. I work as co-founder at Jagoinvestor.com. Now, me and my business partner Manish Chauhan and my team, we have been helping investors from last many years on how they can take their financial life to the next level. Now, a lot of people come and ask me how they can create an awesome financial life. I always invite them to look at their financial life as a space. And the space has three elements in it. Number one, money comes into your life. Number two, money stays in your life. And number three, money grows in your life. Now, if you create value out in this world, money keeps coming in your life. Number two, if you spend less than what you earn and if you earn more than what you spend, then money stays in your life. And if you follow a process and if you stay disciplined, then money grows in your life. Now, we are doing a 2-day online event called Design Your Financial Life program. It's our flagship program and we've been doing it since 2008. And hundreds of investors have benefited from the program. So if you are really committed, if you want to take your financial life to the next level, if you want to learn money management skills, if you are really serious about working on your financial life, then I invite you to participate in our Design Your Financial Life program. So thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the program. Thank you.